Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have a Google account and an existing form open. First, open the form, click Responses, then the green Sheets icon to create a linked spreadsheet. Choose to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing one. Creating new is simplest. Once you click Create, Google Forms will establish the link and populate headers with question titles. Make sure your form questions use clear titles and avoid duplicates so columns align correctly. After the sheet appears, verify the first response row and save the spreadsheet in Drive for access. Now set up column formatting, data validation, and any calculated fields in the linked sheet. First, freeze the header row so new responses stay aligned. Then apply number, date, or text formats to match each question type. If you need automated summaries, add formulas on a separate sheet referencing the live response range. Do not edit the raw response columns. Once done, create filter views for colleagues and protect ranges to prevent accidental edits. Make sure sharing permissions match who should view or edit the sheet. Finish by testing. Submit a sample form response and confirm it appears instantly in the linked sheet. Once confirmed, set up notifications or app script triggers for alerts on new responses, and document where calculations live so collaborators know which sheets to use. For backups, enable version history and periodically copy the sheet to another folder. Troubleshooting tip: if responses stop syncing, check that the form still shows the green Sheets link as connected, and relink to a fresh spreadsheet if the original became corrupted or lost permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.